guys, so this would be a very short video, not into the much of the technicalities. तो जैसा कि मैं पहले बोल रहा था कि there is a option of Lychee app which could be the solution for Mavic Mini thing. तो कल मैंने अपना iOS पे Lychee app इंस्टॉल किया था and today I have came on to a park location of a society to check whether it's climbing more than 15 meters or not. However, जो maximum altitude था that I have edited it from 15 meters to 500 meters. इसमें ऐसा कुछ hard lock तो नहीं है अभी, but now I'm gonna try. So let's see कि if it goes above 15 meters or not. Let's hope for the best. बाकी फुटेज के साथ मिलते हैं. अगर 15 मीटर से ऊपर गया नहीं भी गया था, let you know so that you don't waste another few Ks on that particular software. So stay tuned. अब कैमरे की तरफ उसको देखते हैं, ड्रोन को. सॉल्व हो गया. Anyways, climbing above 15 meters now. Yes. एक बार इधर दिखाना, इधर दिखाना, इधर दिखाना, इधर. Right now the distance is 60 meters. So 70 meters and still climbing. So the issue is fixed. So I'm bringing it down because I can see some eagles are flying nearby to it. I don't want to break my drone once again. So I'm bringing it down, but this is proven that it wanna fly above 15 meters with the Lychee app. So you can go for it for the Mavic Mini 1 and Mavic Mini 2 users. This is the solution. So guys, finally I found a solution. So you can, I'm not sure because I have seen maximum altitude for DJI Mavic was 500 meters. So that's why I have edited and kept it as 500. So it's a manual erase and put it the entry whatever you want the maximum altitude to be. So I have set it on 500 meters, although I haven't taken it to 500. I've just taken it to 100 meters just to be sure. It's climbing more than 15 meters is enough. So it was somewhere around 15 story of height, हाँ 15 or 20 story of height. तो ठीक है, it's resolving the issue. So yeah, for all the users who were sacrificing from last 2.5 months, you can install the Lychee and could get rid out of this particular issue. So the cost of Lychee is on iOS, which I have installed, is of 2000, and on Android it's of 2150. But in Android, after reading the reviews of the particular app, I just found that there is some issue in the panorama stitching. Actually, the panorama photo that you take once your drone revolve in the sky and take the 360 degree photo of the landscape. So in this stitching, when it stitch and builds one particular photograph of it, there's some issue. So that's why I haven't opted for the Android thing, because in iOS this issue is not there. So it's not about the 150 rupees that it's cheaper, but there isn't any panorama stitching issue in iOS. Although I'll be exploring this particular app much more in the coming days, but for now the priority was that 15 meters, which is resolved. Feeling so glad, yeah. It would have not happened actually if the restriction wasn't imposed by the DJI, but anyway, we don't know till how long it would last. So if you want to wait, you can, and those who want to install the Lychee app, go for it. It's resolving the issue. So thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe. बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियो बनाने में, that too on a Saturday Sunday that you get out of your normal working days. So please like, share and subscribe and stay safe. Bye bye.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same.